Awesome. So the final step here is to create articles. Because we have worked so long, so hard on setting up the various settings in Salesforce Knowledge. Now it's the time to create articles and use all of the settings that we did earlier. So go to developer.org and here in the tabs, look for article management. You have it here. Go for it. And here you can create articles. So create a new article. First we need to choose the article type. So every article needs to be associated to an article type. And the significance of creating article types we already discussed. So let's say user manual, and here let me give the title. The title is customer support user manuals. Okay. Alright, the title is given, and now if there is any URL, give that accordingly. And if you want to give a summary of what it is, yes, you have to. So I do not have any URL. Alright. And here we need to give the validation status. So validation status, this also we discussed in detail previously. What is validation status and how to use that. So but we haven't actually updated with any values as such. So that is the reason we are seeing only the default values. So let me leave it as is and let me say as not validated. It's okay. And now you need to add it to the categories. Now that this article is created, you see like the publishing status, it is still in draft mode and it is a type user manual. And now it's time for us to add to the categories, which group and which category in that. So creating category groups and also creating categories within that we already discussed in detail. Alright, we are just going to add the categories here. So this being a user manual, I am going to add it to the functional group. So let me say edit. And it is showing me all the categories under the functional group, and let me say business process. And let me add it to business process category. Click OK. Perfect. So now you can see that this article is under the functional group and it is in business process category. Perfect. So once you are done with all the changes, click save to save this new article that we have created. And what is the final step? The final step is to publish the article. That is why we have worked so hard. So click on publish. Yes, publish now. Okay. And if you want to specify a particular publication date, yes, you can. But I want to publish it right now. Alright. So click OK. Well then, the customer support user manual has been successfully published. And here in the view, if I click on published articles, we are able to see this article out here. Alright, so this is how we create articles and publish articles, and this is the whole concept of Salesforce Knowledge.